Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always happy to present you that kind of videos and help you or dear clients with the buy, sale and of course rent of real estate properties in our beautiful Costa Blanca region. Now we are located in a nice place of Quesada that belongs to Rojales town, and we are 10 kilometers away from Guardamar beach, not that far away from the beach. 2 kilometers to Rojales town, 1 kilometer to the golf club of La Marquesa, 2 kilometers to Quesada center, and this part of Quesada we call it the Recoral because I'm now already on the Recoral Park on this beautiful area. This is one of the best areas of Quesada. It has this nice park with this artificial lake, places to walk, playground for children, barbecue areas and a lot more. So it's nice area. We have just from here a property that we have on sale. I like very much. I'm actually in love with this house. It's independent house, chalet, we call it chalet in Spanish, with 337 square meters plot, 91 square meter size inside. And now let's check it out more closer. Follow me. And so here we have the park of Recoral, and as I told you before, we have the property straight on front of the park. This is the house. All this belongs to the house. Private parking, this is the entrance and the main gate. It's a German family that has built this house for own use in the year 2002. They made very good quality. They planned it from themselves. Also inside the plan is well done, it's so comfortable, nice terrace. Maybe not that big plot, but you will see that it's more than enough for family. And actually it's possible to make a third bedroom, which I will explain now when we'll be inside. And now follow me and I show you the inside of the house. So we're entering inside the property. On this side we have a parking spot and motorized gate, so you can always park your car inside. And following, we access to this nice terrace. I think is the best place of the house. Check it out, because we have this pool area with view to these green trees, and of course it offers a fully equipped barbecue area with a sink and outdoor bathroom with a shower plate. It's a nice place to enjoy, nice view, swimming pool, barbecue area, and you can access straight away from the pool area to inside the property. And now, as I told, it's detached house and you can walk all around of the plot. And here we have this nice winter terrace covered with windows. Check it out, how nice it is to sit here. I can see the mountains, I see all the green trees, and yeah, it's very lovely to be here, winter or summer. All the house have a very good window packet, double glass, very good isolation, and you don't hear the noise from outside. Also, it has air conditioning, of course. It has heating, electric heating, in all the rooms almost. And now follow me, please, and check this living room out. Nice big living room with decorative chimney. And I told before about the third bedroom, as we have two bedrooms. One is en suite, but friends, we have this area here is the dining area at the moment, but you have a window here and also wardrobes. So it's very easy to install a wall here and put a door, and you get another third bedroom if it's needed, and you still have a lot of area to be in the living room. And now this is the kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped. The property is sold as it is with all the furniture and the white goods. On the left we have the main bedroom, of course, with nice big window, wardrobes and private bedroom. Coming back, we have the kitchen on this side, the living room on this side, and here, friends, we have a fully equipped bedroom and the guest bedroom over here. good size, windows all around. And of course now it's evening, we're filming in the evening, maybe it doesn't look that bright, but believe me, this house is very, very bright, and we will do another sense on which you will see that it's bright. And now at the end we have this access from the property straight away to this small terrace. Here's the water heater and the wash machine. And now by the stairs we can easily access to a roof terrace of this property. So more or less 30 square meters size of rooftop. You can put a pergola here and enjoy also your time, spend your time here on this area of this part of the house. The house have another storage room by the side and one storage room here in the roof terrace to storage your things. And check out please this nice view to the mountains, to all this green protected area. Nice here to enjoy. And yeah, for conclusion, I'm very in love with this house. I very like this property. It's very good done with heart. I like this area. As I mentioned, we are in one of the best area of Quesada. It's nice property. You can convert. If you need the third bedroom, make the third bedroom. I think it's a nice option. And in the year 2002, actually, it was the best construction time, and it was the best time because the materials, the quality of materials, the quality of work were much more better than now these days. So this kind of constructions, they're done better. Price for this house is 309,000 euro. I seen today actually another detached house, nothing to do with this, for 240, and I thought, yeah, such a difference. It's a nice price for this kind of property, for this kind of view, this kind of area, swimming pool. And yeah, take this opportunity, and if you like it, contact us for more details. I will be always happy to help you with this or any other properties. Subscribe this channel, share it with your family, your friends, give a like to this video, and I wish you all the best, and see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Hasta luego!